Morning, guys. Welcome to winter. Weather's changed a lot compared to yesterday. Today it's only 24 degrees and we're gonna try to blow this job out because calling for snow over the weekend and Monday, Tuesday. So let's try to get this done. Anyway, this run is 140 feet. Ed and I just measured it. And we're gonna be coming up in this area here. There's electricians supposed to be stopping out and they're gonna tell us where they want them exactly, which they have it roughly, tower there, fiber there, but we'll get an exact location on that. Yep. Yep, perfect. Project manager wants our pipes to be 3 inches away from the pole, so that's what we're gonna give him. Guys, we just found that. I'm gonna be eyes open, making sure Ed don't hit anything here. This place is one called, but Ed and I aren't buying it. So the prints call for separation between these two pipes. That's what we're gonna do, and we're backfilling this stuff along the road now. It's not really safe to not do that. And we'll leave a little pothole open here by the pipe so the inspector can see we're at our depth. So guys, this site we're at is a little bit different than a lot of these sites we usually go at. There's no actual tower here. Now we are putting in pipes for a small cell that's going to be built on top of that building. So anyway, what that building is kind of like a main hub, and all the fiber from towers in the area come to it. And there's computers or something in there that processes the data and sends the calls where it has to go, I assume. Gotta be honest, Ed and I have no clue with that kind of stuff. Couldn't tell you the difference between 4G, 5G, 3G, no idea. We do know one thing, that we put pipe in the ground and we know how deep it's gotta be, the diameter of the pipe, and whether there's gonna be fiber or power in it. Everything else means nothing to Ed and I. So just keep that in mind. We're dirt guys, we are not electricians. expiry tape. Well, yeah, we got something there going. Yep. For a little ground ring in this area here. The electricians are out here, so they're going to work on that. But Ed's going to dig this thing out big with the grading bucket. Give these guys some room to work. Ran out of room for dirt here, so Ed's gonna dig it out. Yep, that's fine. Dig it out and pile it up as I step on it to get it all the way down for the trench. We kind of had to arc it like we talked about earlier. We got our depth. Plus the meter should line up perfectly. I'm like, that's the theory. What up, buddy? Pick it up. Up. Yeah. Golden. And we got all the pipe in. Got it all to the grade. Needed it. We came up with stacks with schedule 80. That's what the prints called for. We were able to maintain separation with our pipe the whole way. Now we have to do our least favorite part. Wait for inspection until whenever he decides to come out. So enjoy the wait with us, guys. Well, we passed inspection. The inspector was happy with everything we did. Also, those guys got all the grounding done. Now we're gonna work on putting this stuff all back together. And we aren't gonna be seeding straw in this stuff because it's all just gonna blow away. It's pretty windy out today. That's it for this one. Got this place all graded out. Remember, we're not going to seed and straw with the weather that's coming. It's Friday, guys. We're headed home for the weekend.
We got a long week, man.
Monday they're calling for weather, snow, so we'll probably be off. We probably won't see you guys Monday, Tuesday. Wednesday we're supposed to go back and pour that pad, so hopefully see you guys then.
See you later, guys. Please like and subscribe.
That's right. Thanks for watching, guys.